Hello, welcome to my first video. Guys, this is Buiscape. Today I'm going to be showcasing a crab project that I've been working on for a very long time. My goal essentially was to build a self-sustaining ecosystem that pretty much cares for itself. It's an easy project that everyone can attempt, and you really don't have to do much when it comes to maintenance, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. In order to reduce your workload, you need to assemble a maintenance crew. The three main components I added to help maintain this project were snails, shrimps, and springtails. Snails will clean up any algae buildup, while shrimps will also pick at algae and clean up any leftovers. Springtails will be a good source of food for the crabs. They're also going to clean up any dead plants, mold, and any unconsumed food that's left in the tank as well. Once you have assembled your cleanup crew, the next part is creating a natural filter for the tank. I wanted to enjoy this tank without any obstructions, so that to me means I'm not going to have a lid. Be mindful if you're going to have a project with crabs. If you don't want to have a lid, make sure that there is nothing allowing them to climb up and escape, just because these guys are amazing climbers. They can't climb up glass, but if you have like a filter, if you have something sticking in, like a tube, any sort of piping that's inside the tank, they will climb up out of it. So I used live plants to essentially substitute as a filter. I have frogbit and HC Cuba. You can definitely add more plants if you'd like. I would say the more plants the better. Alright, so let's talk about dwarf baby tears, also known as HC Cuba. A lot of people gravitate towards this plant due to their significantly small leaves. Once fully carpeted, you're going to have a gorgeous space for the crabs to walk on. Once the soil is wet, you just have to leave the light on for about 8 hours a day, and you just watch it grow. No need to water, no need to spray. Sit back and relax. And in a few months, you're gonna have a fully carpeted tank. The species you see here in this project are called apricot vampire crabs. They have very distinct bright yellow eyes with reddish to orange tones and a hint of purple on them as well. These guys love to hide, and if you really want to have fun with them, I'm going to highly recommend that you feed them live insects. This will be a good opportunity to bring them out of their hiding spots. You're going to get to see them more often, and they actually seem to be very happy when you feed them live insects. But just in case, if you can't get live insects around you, what you can also feed them are fish pellets. Overall, this was a fun project. The maintenance was almost non-existent as everything is self-sustaining. All you have to do is add water weekly to balance out the evaporation, and don't forget to feed the crabs. In case you do forget to feed them, it's okay. They're going to manage to live off the plants and insects in their little ecosystem. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first project and I'm very glad you made it this far. If there's anything that I may have left out that has not been answered, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to all of your questions. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.